Hey guys, Liz here from the Nail Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to use P Plus No Wipe Top Coat from Light Elegance. This is P Plus No Wipe Top Coat from the Light Elegance P Plus Gel Polish line. This is an amazing soak-off gel top coat that cures without an inhibition layer, so there's no need for cleansing after curing. You can also get certified to use this product even if you're not a professional through my Level 1 Gel Chemistry Basics course. To use P Plus No Wipe Top Coat or any of the other top coats in the Light Elegance P Plus line, you're going to simply apply a nice even coating over the surface of your gel polish application. Remove some gel top coat on one side of your brush by scraping the brush as you come out of the bottle. Then we're going to use the clean side up and the dollop side down to deposit a little bit of product into the center of the nail. And then you're going to take your time to nicely cover any area where you have gel polish, color, or glitter gel. If you notice any brush strokes in your top coat, just give the gel a second to self-level. That's one of the most amazing features of working with gel products, is that they self-level into a nice, smooth, glossy finish. Using your reflection, check for your application from sidewall to sidewall, as well as cuticle to free edge. And I also like to check from the side of the nail to make sure I don't have a hump of product at the tip. If you need to move any product back into the center, all you have to do is touch the nail with your brush and drag the product back into the center of the nail plate to create a nice heightened apex even on natural nails. Once you finish applying your no wipe top coat, you're ready to cure for 60 seconds in your UV nail lamp. And the reason why I say 60 seconds is that is the latest data supporting that you're gonna get the best polymerization rate on the first exposure in your lamp. The lovely thing about P Plus No Wipe is that there's no inhibition layer on the surface of the nail. Most gels cure with an inhibition layer due to oxygen in the environment while it's curing. It's a natural part of the polymerization process, but P Plus No Wipe Top Coat has been formulated to cure with no sticky layer, so you're ready to rock and roll right after curing. If you do notice any inhibition layer on the surface of the nail, that could be an indicator that the lamp that you're using to cure this product is not sufficient to get it to the proper polymerization levels. And of course, one of the key things that no wipe top coats are used for besides convenience is this top coat is amazing for chrome. Want to take your nail experience to the next level? Check out my premium nail education platform, thenailhub.tv. Think of it as your ad-free Netflix for nails, where I deep dive into how to improve your nail skills as well as help you troubleshoot your issues with customized member-requested videos. You get curated nail education that helps you go beyond just product-specific knowledge and master your craft. All levels are welcome. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.